Hi there. This summer I spent a little time getting the Education PreMajor SharePoint site up and running with content. I think it's ready to go, but I have a couple of questions that I need help with. One, all of these icons have the same image, and I can't quite figure out how to change that image. If you could tell me how to do that, that would be terrific. And then two, we'd like to have an intake form that students can access so that we can start collecting demographic data about what college do they hope to transfer to, what kind of education major do they want to pursue. There's lots of subcategories. Things like, do they prefer online classes or in-person classes? So I'm wondering if someone can teach me how to build a form into SharePoint so that it can automatically populate, for example, like a spreadsheet or a database where I can have all of the demographics together in one spot from all 200. Currently we have 258 students, but that new students, that data could be added to that same source. So we can start to do some comparison and research on them. Let's see, I think that's it. If you want to take a look at the education site and let me know if you see any corrections or any changes that I should be making, that would be terrific. And then you can feel free to email me the steps for changing the images and building the form, or send me an Outlook calendar appointment. I'm happy to meet with you at any time. My Outlook is up to date. Thank you.